Today's lunch is chicken teriyaki, rice, and some broccoli. This is probably just gonna be, I'm gonna get hungry within like 2 hours, but I'm gonna have my cup of coffee. What flavor did you get?
Blueberry, mixed berry, toasted coconut, and key lime pie.
I got mango, just mango and 1 strawberry. Trying the Yasso ice cream, got some 0 calorie. There's no 0 sugar in that one? Why? What's wrong with this? Is it still bad?
Yeah.
Too late, I got it. That's my sweetness. You're walking past me.
There you go.
Thank you.
Okay.
So beautiful.
Okay.
Down.
Sit.
Good boy.
You should have started recording way before.
I know.
Relax, Marco.
I don't like that stance. Sit. Good boy. Should we go?
You want to go?
I'm only looking at you, bro. That's not fair.
You want to go on a walk?
I want to go on a walk. I want to go to the park. Let's go park. Are you ready? Let's go.
Ready?
I think it's time.
I think I'll go on a walk.
Okay, let's go. Oh, what is that? So today I'm trying out this mango from Rayleigh's. I'm not sure if she's sweet. Let's see.
Act natural.
This is natural. Did I get your off?
I swear she's good. Oh, tell me. Tell me.
I'm not that picky, but I just prefer no to be. Sorry about that.
So I got the cookies and cream. What?
I got the white chocolate macadamia nut. I got the chocolate fudge.
Not sponsored. From, what's her name? Lynn.
From Minting and Nail Care.
Cherry. Come on. Do something. See you at the bracelets. Let's see me the bracelets. Hawaii. So when are we going to Hawaii?
Next year.
Call
Ask you, dude.
Next year.
Manifest it next year.
Save up your PTO, please.
Oh my god. Will you have enough of it?
PTO.
We're at Campus Burger. Have you been here before?
Nope. I don't even know where this is at.
We're 7 minutes away walking wise. I've never been in this size. What did you get?
I got a toasted marshmallow latte with oat milk. It's on Saturday.
Is it really? Yeah.
It's a vlog. Which you didn't ask me a question yet.
I asked you 3 questions.
Huh? When?
3 questions. I asked you 3 questions.
When?
This is all in the background noise.
When? Wait,
We
when?
need a layer. We need to put a song over
You, wait, for real, you did?
I did. Go ahead.
Well, I'm fake.
I am ready to.
There's Kiana that's like this, and then there's me that's like.
What the fuck?
What's the final verdict?
What's the final verdict?
It's okay.
Oh, how about yours?
Guys, the hash browns are good.
That's the same thing.
It's empty. I got a steak sandwich.
Look good.
A Western burger?
Fat French toast
The big ass French toast.
and potatoes.
You're so sexy. You're so sexy. Shake ass. I gotta take a dookie.
Oh, this is yours, Kate. How is it?
Strong food?
Yeah. Lavender?
This is just me and Erica.
We could go with you guys.
It's on the way back.
Yeah, okay.
Doing, huh?
I low-key do want to get another.
Look at the slot.
What's that? Oh, bagoo! Oh, they have, is that ducks? Ducks?
There's a little umbrella. Oh, cute. Look at the horse.
Eh.
You can take it to Nashville. Oh, what's this?
Is that what I think it is? Mahjong. Yeah.
Sorry, it's done. You're watching this.
The way he's sitting.
Not the white chicks. Cute.
Oh my god, it melted on me, girlfriend. What flavor did you get?
Chocolate chip cookie.
So what was your review for that? What was your review?
Pretty good. Didn't know if I liked it at first. I think I've had a little too much caffeine. This is my second cup. My brain's kind of hurting a little bit.
What do you taste more? What's the flavor?
I would say I taste a lot of the lavender. Don't really taste the white chocolate that much.
Oh,
And then
okay.
you taste like the espresso. But it's good. How's yours?
Tastes like coffee. Yeah, it's strong. It basically tastes like yours, but no flavor.
No flavor, really? The lady was saying that she usually gets the chai.
Chai.
The chai with 2 shots of espresso. It's like a dirty chai.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I thought about getting that too.
Dirty chai. She recommended you that?
That's her go-to.
The camera automatically.
And you're like,
What did you get?
So
That looks good though.
don't say dang. You're making me feel shy. I got hazelnut, Kinder Bueno, and Ferrero.
Oh.
Because I'm a hazelnut girly.
She likes her hazelnut. She does. You do?
I do. What'd you get?
I can't pronounce either one of these, but
Just a ton?
yeah.
So what's your
The
rating?
other one is Coco.
Biscotto. What's your rating?
It's pretty good. Give it like a 4 out of 5. This is clear.
Oh.
Cut it out. Cut this one out.
Oh, look at the cool. Oh.
I will.
Where's that? Oh, I see. No.
21, yeah! That's my speed.
Sunday dyan. Itong klase yan. Kaya harap ning kaya.
Happy birthday to you. Dun, 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 dun. What's that over here? Oops.
Dark? Uy, manabo yung cake. Better tapos niya kay lalam.
This is Boris Ham. Clap your hands! Woo! Yeah! Clap your hands, Neil! Yeah! Hey! 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 Hey!
Just don't think you understand.
got oil like geysers up in the nose, and I also have some,
on your
I
chin.
got some chin on my chin too. Ooh, chin on my chin. I grasped the little handle there. The little handle, I'm gonna hold it and we're real deep in there because we got some blackheads.
Jill, did you even put any water in your face? It's like so dry.
My bad. That's a little.
Your forehead too.
I forgot the forehead. And
Put a little more. Put a little more.
Oh, she said you could put a little more. Okay, invitation.
You put a lot.
Let's see that, and then you get the little forehead because that's the one.
That's why there's no foam. You didn't put any.
It hits the sun a little bit. That's why. So you gotta make sure you get the forehead. We don't want any lingering bubbles.
Okay.
Girl.